Right at the bottom of the menu, we have Suggest Item. Suggest Item allows you to send us detailed information on an item. If you want us to add a new item to Electrolog or amend information on an item already in Electrolog, this is where you can do just that. If you want to add a new item to Electrolog, click here. If you want to amend any information or add any information on an item on Electrolog, you can select this one and put in the Electrolog number over here. Next, you can add in multiple pictures. You can then add relative information on the item under the specific headings with the examples provided in the tick boxes here. Remember, the more information and specs you can supply, the better we will be able to accurately identify and add information for you. When you have added all the information regarding the item, click on the Submit button. We will then check, confirm, research, and process the information you sent to us. We are here to help you. Help us help you by sending us info to add or to amend for you.